is more than curling and cutting. Hairstylists are more than that. You're building your own brand and creating your own hairpreneur story. This is Mark Anthony Rosales. Mark my word. Well, this is all about our journey, resilience, and doing something meaningful out of our talent. So in the beginning, I never thought that I will be a hairstylist. Parang it's a redundant of me. Parlor, then bakla. I felt that way because that's the society sinasabi sa atin. In my early life, I was a marketing guy for a corporation. Been there for 5 years and I've learned a lot of things which I'm applying pa rin up until this day. But I know deep inside me, I really wanted to enter fashion. Because fashion is what I really love. But way back then, it's not yet that acceptable. And then, unexpected night, I was just a +1. I attended an event in Privé, seen a lot of celebrities, so parang, wow. It's my first glimpse of the fashion industry. I was really like, wow, I belong. After the night, surprisingly, I received a job offer from Lord Ramos, inviting me to be a salon manager for a new salon. And then that time, I was really hesitant because, again, it's a salon. May manager pala yung salon. I thought it's just like hairdressers. I signed the job offer and I became the operation manager of a global fashion salon. But I know that even I am managing that time, my heart is really for hairstyling. I asked my senior stylist, which is Michael Manalad, who happened to have a salon now called Uncommon Barbershop. He trained me. Siya talaga yung tumutok sa akin. Kasama ko siya sa mga shoot and he will tell me like, sir, di pantay yung kabila, kanan, kaliwa, ganyan. So those are the humble beginnings. Slowly, I realized that I am embracing it, that I have a calling when the time that I'm investing tools, investing products, accepting works that are not paid, like the pro bonus ones. So there was a year that, almost 2 years or 1 year, that I did not receive any talent fee at all, but it's out of passion. Because that's what I really want to do. I feel like I'm really happy with what I'm doing. And then, fast forward, I was surprised that like different celebrities na in my chair. I did campaigns already. And then, I'm happy to have the title of being a celebrity hairstylist. My vision as an artist is not just having that title. Because ang dami ko kayang title. I have a bold vision in 2017 that I wanted to cater not just celebrities but everyone. Every Filipinos. Because I believe that hair is not just hair. Hair is therapeutic. I remember when you had your breakup, ano ba mong gagawin, di ba, to cut your hair. I wanted to be more deep in terms of putting up my own brand. I didn't expect that people will get curious about it because my vision there is just to make sure that we take care of you from roots to ends. In 2018, the vision came into reality. I put up a salon, the first salon in the Philippines who uses hair scanning in terms of hair consultation. I've met my pioneering team, which is Ate Sai, Hi Sir Ray, Ate Ten, and the rest. Bye. It was really great because I did not just create a team but a family. Family who cares for one another. Not every story is always a celebration. May mga puksaan saying that you are not good enough. Nakakaloka lang to think na you are not yet good enough. Hindi ka pa rin daw magaling. At the same time, you thought you're building something great for yourself, for your family. And then, one day, it was ruined out of maybe, I don't know. But whatever it is, I did not dwell in that position because I know that I have a greater purpose as a hair expert. So I continue making my own mark. And this time, it's just Mark. With that experience, it's also helped me to rebirth not just my brand, Mark Salon, with a K, but also me as a person. I cannot succeed on my own. I have to uplift also the community. I do Kwentong Gupet. It's Libreng Gupet. You know, here at Mark Salon, we created the first innovation room in the salon industry. So it's like a space for my fellow creatives who want to learn about hairstyling or anything under the sun. What I really wanted is to share the purpose why am I doing this. Because as a creative, you are not just a hairstylist, but you can create a brand out of what you do. Actually, what you're doing right now, that's entrepreneurship. you're checking your calendar, you're booking, and you're dealing with different people, that is already business. To my fellow Filipino hairstylists, I am inviting everyone to support this podcast because this podcast is for us. It's time for us to cater the goodness of every Filipino in terms of hairstyling. Once again, this is Mark Anthony Rosales, and are you ready to make your own mark?